guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we are gonna try to junk journal. So I got these over the weekend at the Little Craft Fest, and this is the one that I got from the Amy Tangerine session that we did. It's a traveler's notebook. And I think I'm not sure if I shared this, but I decorated the cover and also decorated this right here. Amy Tangerine actually wrote this. I asked her to write it for me. And then I printed out the picture that I took with her and added it here with a few stickers, and I think it looks so cute. I also decorated this there, and then I did this yesterday, and I thought it turned out so cute, but I wanted to keep it going. I feel like my planner is getting a little chunky, and which isn't a bad thing. I don't mind my planner being chunky, but I want to start a junk journal where I can kind of add all the little things that I accumulate, the things that don't necessarily, I don't want to throw away because I think they're cute or whatever the case may be. And I just thought it'd be really fun to like create a little something with them and just, I don't know, I just think it would be a good way for me to kind of keep little things here and there, make cute spreads, and still have fun. So I have a few things that I accumulated from the weekend, and I figured we could just put them together. Let's see what happens. So I do have, this is the letter from Shop ARL. Maybe I can like tear this, but I don't want to include the letters. And so maybe, oh, it kind of tore, but it's okay. So like that, and then I can also use some of these little like corners like that. Also like this one right here, so try to remove that. I don't want to have that part right there. That's good enough. Okay, so I want to include these. This is a no. Now this I can trash. And then I'm thinking this is like a little piece of paper that they gave me there. I don't think I'm going to keep this. So this for sure I'm going to get rid of. I do have this little, it's like an actual little bag. But should I keep this one? I can keep both of them, but is there a way that I can, I feel like it doesn't match this right here that I wanted to add. Oh man, I teared it. And it's okay, it's no big deal, but still. I guess I'll just use this one. Okay, let me grab some scrapbook paper. Yeah, because this doesn't match. Let me grab some scrapbook paper. I think I have some in here. If not, I can grab the other scrapbook paper that I have in my closet. But I do have this. Let's look in here. I also do have this. This would be cool. This one would be nice, actually. What if I do both of these? I think that would be fun. So let's tape this on or glue it. Where's my glue stick? I have the glue stick that Amy Tangerine gave us. Oh, I'm thinking I'm actually going to fold this one in half. So that would be nice. Okay. And I can stick this on the page. I want it like down here, so. Okay, cool. And then I can stick the other side. Okay, that works. And then I have this right here. which is double-sided. So I could always do like a little, something like a little, what is it called? Like a Dutch store? Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. Something like this, maybe? Or I can just cut it. Let me just cut it, because I do have this out, so I could cut it and use it on both the pages. So this would be cool, like right here, maybe. Something like that. I think that's neat. Let me do that. I feel like the key to like junk journaling is just like, don't be afraid and just add it. Just stick it on, figure it out after. You can like lay stuff on top of it and it'll come together eventually, because I feel like it is very like scary to do things like, and then what if like they don't look good, and like if you overthink it. But I think that's kind of like the beauty of it, where you can just make it your own, you know. I'm thinking about adding this down up here, like something like that, or I can do it like this. Or actually, what if I don't add it at all? I'm thinking about not adding it at all. I'm gonna do this right here, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna fold it a little bit. Wait, where was it? It was right here. Like right there, kinda. Okay, so let me stick this side first. I still regret not taking a picture with Amanda Rach Lee because she was there, but I was just too embarrassed. I was so shy. I don't know. I regret it, but it's okay. Maybe I can meet her at another conference or something. I think that would be nice. I can add this one over here. I hope y'all can actually see everything. Let me reposition this. Hold on. Okay, I think that's a little bit better actually. Let's add this over here on this side. Then I can add this one over here. Right over here. Okay, that's cute. And then let me look at the other stuff that I have here, because I have so many like random knickknacks. Also, I do have like pictures of like, this is like Disney, so I'm not gonna use that, but I do have pictures that I took this weekend that maybe I can print out. This is all stuff that I've kept, so I don't think this is stuff that I'm gonna use this time. That doesn't match. I'm so new to junk journaling. It's like, still obviously I'm not doing the greatest. Oh, but I do have like this business card that I got from someone. Maybe I can use this section for like business cards. I think that would be kind of cool. So like that, this, can also add this one. That'll cover that up, but I can put it right here maybe. Oh, but then I can't see the information. I think that'll be cute right there. Like that maybe. Oh, I do have this other business card, but I don't like that it would like not match the spread. So I think I'm gonna add just these. I think that's good. So let me add this one right here. Maybe this one can go on the top over here, yeah. I do need to buy like double-sided tape. So I think that'll be like the next thing that I purchase for myself for junk journaling. I also do want to get a traveler's notebook cover. I think that would be really fun, but they are pretty pricey. I think it's just like a Moterm brand one. I think those are like 30 bucks as opposed to like the $60 that the actual Traveler's notebooks are. So that'll actually save me a little bit of money. Yes, I think this is looking pretty cute. Put this one down here. I love this one. This is so cute. It's from Letters to Apollo. Oh, it's so cute. I'm definitely gonna shop their products on their website because they have the cutest things, and I feel like I wasn't able to get too many there, which is fine, like no big deal. I think that's pretty much all the business cards that I have that I'm gonna add this time. What can I add here? I feel like it's missing something. I do have the stickers that I got from the shop ARL, so maybe I can add some of those stickers. Yeah, for sure. So that, some of the little froggies, I think that would be cute. Oh yeah, I love that. Some mushroomies. And even these little confettis are so cute. Some right there. Oh, I didn't stick it. Okay, I think that's pretty cute. Actually, I'm gonna put this one right here because it looks like this business card is like having a hard time staying down. I think that's pretty cute. Like, not my best. Like, I feel like this one looks so much more fun, but it's okay. It's, again, not the greatest, but I feel like it does what it needs to do because I want to just try to put stuff together, have fun with the paper that I accumulate and don't have like a home for. Now, thinking, what if I added like a little bit of washi? Let me get some of this junk out of the way so I can actually open up my washi container because I can't open that right now. Okay. Oh, I had this other business card. Oh, well, it doesn't fit here and I don't want to, should I fold it? Maybe I can do that right here. Or fold it in half. And I can put it right here. I think that would be cute. So like right here. Yeah, that's half. Right there, right? Yep. And then here's the other side. I might have grabbed too much glue. I have to say, Amy Tangerine gave us this glue. I think Avery might have provided this, the brand Avery. And it runs out so quickly. I usually use regular Elmer's glue, but whatever, like it's fine. It's no big deal. Oh, I can use this one because this I actually got at the Craft Fest. This is Once More with Love. I'm pretty sure it's the name of the brand. And they said this was a washi that they specifically made for the festival, and I would assume they're going to have it available at on their website, but it was something that was like specific to the event. So I think that would be really cute to add. I love it. Okay. So like that. And where else can we put some? Oh, I kind of like ruined the washi there. Maybe like up here. Yeah, that's cute. I think that's good for at least this washi, but let me look to see if there's any other that I'd like to use. I thought I had some with like hearts that maybe we could use. No hearts. Okay, but I do have this one that I think would actually look really fun. So, and it'll add a little bit of color. Oh yeah, I like that. That's fun. That one's a little crooked, but it's okay. Like right here. Okay, I think that's fun actually. Now that I added the washi, I feel like it actually fills up the space, makes it look a little bit funner. Okay, I love that. It's gonna be hard to close now, but I think that's kind of the point, right? Like, I think that's good. Yay, okay, well, perfect. This is what it turned out like. I love the way it looks. And I can't wait to keep like junk journaling and keeping stuff. And I don't know, I feel like the Traveler's Notebook is actually a really good journal to junk journal with, because it's not as many pages and you can actually, like, once you're done, like, that's it, you can put it away, whatever. As opposed to like some of the other journals that I've seen, like there's so many pages that it ends up being like huge. So I feel like this is like a good in between. So I'm actually gonna put this away. I'll add it on here. So this right here, I got this little container. I don't even know what these are called, but it houses like a ton of stuff. So, and it's really cool because I can put my junk journal stuff in there and put it away. So yay. And maybe one day, once I like actually organize it and make it look decent, I can show it to y'all. We can have like a little tour of my little junk journal situation that I have going on here. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Oh, and actually comment a frog emoji. I feel like a frog emoji would be fun. So anyways, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.